Hi, it is Teresa here, and today we are going to work in this journal that I made quite a long time ago, I think, and I'm going to use it as something for the month. I have a planner, a month schedule that I want to put in here, and I'm going to actually be doing a 13-day Halloween starting on the 19th, so keep a lookout for that. It'll be every day till Halloween, and I'm going to be working in this year. Figured I have all these journals I'm making, might as well use them. So let's get crafting. Okay, so I have this, I want to cut it down. So I'm actually going to just cut this part all the way around. I'm going to cut these individually out, but I want this a little smaller. And to get this, all I did was go into my calendar on my computer and hit print. So the neat part is it has most of my stuff for this month of what I am doing, not everything. And then I'm hoping it will help me be able to keep tabs more of like putting videos up, cleaning, all that kind of stuff, because let's face it, my brain and all that is so far gone. I forget. And I'm, you know, I wouldn't say it's lazy, it's ADHD and dyslexia together. It's kind of funky the way your brain works. So, all right, so let's see. I'm going to put this up here because I want this to show, oh, I have it upside down. Okay, first have it the right way up. And like it'll fit perfect right there. And then put a lot of glue on it. If I could get this little thing off. Oh, come on. Oh, it's starting to come off at the top. Okay, we're gonna glue the sucker. I want quite a bit of glue right here in that center portion. And on the edges, which I'm not good at. Okay, edging, there we go. And the center, and yeah, I should probably use a glue stick for some. But this works, right? We're gonna make it's one of those things, adhesive is completely your own. Okay, now I'm going to try and get that right in there. So we want that up, right? Right, okay, I'm turning it upside down so I have a better view because I'm kind of a blind person. Okay, we want that right there. And we are going to move. Oh, come on. Get up, up, up. There we go. Ha, got it. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, we're going to just put that right in here. And now, there. And now I'm going to give this a little good right in there and there. And we're going to close that up a little bit. Give it a good squish. And let's see if it worked. Look how pretty that is. And this stupid thing didn't work the way I wanted it, but we're going to glue that down right there so it looks like it's always was meant to be. There we go. Okay, now for this fun stuff. Now, I am not the greatest at cutting, but you know what? It's mine journal, or what is it called? Day planner journal for the month. And I just don't care. I think what I'm going to do is put some fabric tape right up here. Right? And then put this right on top of that. Oh, how fun would that be? Okay, we're going to cut right there. Where my choppers. There we go. Throw that aside. We really don't need it right now. And come on, come on. You could do it. Get off. Get off. Whoever has issues with getting, come on, their fabric, their tape on the back of stuff. So this is a fabric piece of paper. Let's try this side. That I've tried, and oh my gosh. So I basically have double-sided sticky tape. Oh, now it wants to get off on the tape. This is like pretty old, so I put this on here years ago. But there we go. And it's still good and sticky, really, really sticky. So I am going to put this right here because October starts right there. So why not? And we got this. There we go. And don't forget, it has to be the right side up because I have, you really don't want to read October upside down. Just saying. Okay, I don't. So, and this is our, well, heck, September's past. I don't need that. Chop, gone. Okay, we're going to put this, but where? Do I want it here? Do I want it right here? Do I want something under it? I don't know. No, I don't want more fabric because you were like kind of fun, but not. Oh, look, let's put this. This will work. Okay. And this kind of gives me a wallpaper Halloween vibe. It's cute, but now it's gone because I threw it too far. I can't reach it. Time to glue. And I'm going to be doing this for November and December, but November's going to be a little different. This one I'm just going to periodically work on in the, do little shorts on it. But got to get all that glue on there. Put it right down there. Take my little handy dandy little bamboo folder and give it a good squish. All right. Now, I think here, we're gonna write something on here. And crud. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how dyslexic me, what I have to do to be able to get the right spelling if I want the right spelling, which for this, I do want the right spelling. So I go into whatever type of app I want to go into that I can write in. And right now, we're just going to go to notes because I just don't care. Okay, we're going to hit a new one. Now, Let's see. What do I want it to say? I want something inspirational. Oh, I got it. Keep going. If it doesn't turn out the way you like it, it's okay. I think that works for my first time around. Okay, so I need to pick a pen. These are erasable jelly pens. I'm not sure yet if I like them. Oh, crud. Here's the other issue. Oh, you have to turn off the speaky little thing so it doesn't repeat every dang thing you say, because you don't need all of those words. Okay, keep going. If it doesn't turn out the way you like it, it is okay. I'm going to put it right down here. So anyways, these are jelly erasable pens. And I just got them. I'm not sure yet if I like them. I think I'm going to do purple because there's a little bit of purple right in here. But this is the wrong color purple. Oh, that's not purple. Well, it's like an orangey thing. No, we're going to use this. Okay, and because I haven't used it yet, you know, there's that little thingy on there. You just kind of, whoa, come on, get off. There we go. And because you've never used it before, I've never used it before. Yes. Where's the back of paper? Oh, that's an envelope. Here, we're going to use this. You have to, it doesn't like to come right away, you know, so you kind of have to scribble to get it to go. Ah, the joy sometimes. Okay, now we're going to write this. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. And I don't have good handwriting, but I was told it is good to write, physically write sometimes, not just print it and glue it down, because let me tell you, I do that a lot. Because how easy is that, just to print it off and throw it in my book? But no, I am writing it even if it is weird. Looking doesn't, D-O-E-S-N, and a T with a little thingy. I don't know what that's called. Keep going. Oh, look, I think I want a little exclamation thingy there. Y'all, like, you got it. And look, I don't like the way that is. Oh, well, we're going to leave it. Keep going. If it doesn't turn out, right? Oh, and you know what? There's no spaces on here, but that's okay because that's me. I know how to spell the. That'd be really sad if I didn't. Oh, wait. Maybe I don't. Let's see if the eraser thingy actually works. Come on. You're supposed to erase. 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 Whoa, look. It did. Huh. I might like these after all. I'll put the link down below. And no, I don't get any commission or any of that. I just put stuff down there that I like. Oh, it fell. Oh, I was supposed to write the way you like it. Oh yeah, IT, the little thingy. Why can't I just write it is, like it and then is? Isn't that is? Yeah, we're doing that. Okay, and I want that big letters. Okay, you know, sometimes we make stuff and we're like, ugh, I don't really like it. But it's learning. So if you don't like it, that's okay. Try again. It's all good. Okay, so now I need to go through here. No, I think I'm good. Look at that. I need to do something on my first page though. And look, I have all these fun pockets. Maybe I'll put pictures. Oh, that's what I'll do on all these little tags. So my sweet kid, I miss Halloween with her. So she's my little Halloween fanatic. And she dresses up every day. And sometimes it's very cute and simple. And so I actually been like screenshotting all of them from her Instagram posts, stories. So I have them and I might just put them in here because I can, because she's my kid. That's the way it is. Oh, what is this? What the hell did I make here? Trick or treat, smell my, oh, I used to say that all the time. Oh, well, that doesn't look like something you can write on. Maybe with white. I don't know. I think we might just glue this down on all sides and we're going to make it into a thingy to save your spot. My brain is not working, so I think it's called, a bookmark. I told you my brain's just fried. So you guys get the crazier side of me today, which is fine. You'll be able to tell all of the different videos that I do today because they are crazy. But that's okay. Let's go. Here, my little squisher thing. Ooh. Flip it around. Oh, look at that. I got all that. There we go. I have me a bookmark. Wow, that works. Okay. Thank you for joining me in this prep of getting my monthly planner thingy ready. Have a good day. Love you. Bye.